Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create an app installs campaign inside the Quora Ads platform. So once we log into the account, we can start building out a new campaign. And this is going to be app installs campaign. So we can give a name to the campaign. Now we also need to we need to configure the app installation tracking. So for this, you can look at the different partners which is Quora tied up with. So this is where the mobile measurement partners are listed. So you can choose any of these to do your mobile tracking, specifically the app tracking, which needs to be done installation. Okay. Once this is taken care of, then we can build out the campaign in the usual manner where we give the daily budget first and then we schedule whether we want to start immediately or later. Then we can give a name to the ad set and do our location targeting. We can also do our gender targeting over here. So if you want to do specific gender category targeting, you can do that. And then audience targeting, if you have an audience created, or behavioral targeting, let's say people who are interested in digital marketing, you want to target them. You also have options for targeting exclusions. Okay, so you want to exclude audiences, you want to exclude certain questions from Quora, which is not relevant to your business. Makes sense that we can exclude them. Then you can also decide the placement targeting. You want to do specifically all the placements or specific placements. Same way, device targeting, you can decide whether you want to target all mobile devices or specific devices from here. Lastly, we can set the bid as well. So for the bid, the ad delivery choices are cost per click, which makes more sense because this is an app install campaign. So when people click on the ad, they're taken to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store, and they can install the app from there. Once you set this up, then we move to the third level, which is the ad level, where you can name the ad first and then choose the ad type. Okay, whether it's an image ad, video ad, or a text ad. Okay, so from here we can choose, let's say we are choosing an image ad. Again, you can give the headline of the ad. In this manner. And then the call to action, we want to keep it as get the app, and you can attach the image. So now you can see this is how the ad has been created, which is looking for a desktop specifically and for mobile. Lastly, you can give your website URL as well, where people would reach. And with this, you can build out the app campaign as well. This is how a mobile app campaign, app installs campaign can be created inside the Quora Ads platform.